What's up, guys? What's up, people? It's your boy Vibes 360 Waves, So guess what? Today I'm going to be doing my first production sample, and it's gonna be a nice experience, guys. I want to walk you through how I get to do it from getting the products already. The products are here with me. I just want to go and make my first production, and guys, I'm also going to get a guide from someone who has been experienced in this shit. Like, this person has been so good in production, hair making, hair stuffs, body creams and all, man. But the thing is that everybody has his own formula. I just want to see the processes this person used. So guys, I want you to join me on this journey. This journey is going to be an experience journey for me personally, and for you too, it's going to be an experience one also for you. It's going to be something where you see the documentation of how something is being made from the inception, from the idea. Right now, I've gotten the product, I've gotten the raw materials I want to use for the production. So I'm just going to my mentor. I call this person my mentor, and even you guys would actually want to see her or see him or see anybody taking me on this amazing course of production. So guys, see you on the other side.
So this is the paraffin. It gives the pomade structure and hold. Camphor stimulates the hair and reduces itches on the scalp. Jelly adds shine and helps seal moisture into the hair. Argan oil strengthens weak strands, and nourishes the hair. Almond helps in reducing dryness and breakage. This strengthens the hair and reduces scalp. That's the shea butter. This makes the product firm and stick. I call it the beeswax. That's the candle. Coconut protects the hair from hair loss and protein loss. Then lastly, guys, we have the perfume. This is a fragrance. It's of different choice. Choose your formula and you know what works for you. And this is a smaller container and also a bigger container. They will be produced in 2 sizes. See you guys. So this is me prepared to go find my daily bread. So join me. Yay! So I had to stop by the bracket side to get 1 or 2 more raw chemicals to add up to the hair cream and body cream also, which I'm about to learn today. So this is Amos Coco, and he is one of the best wholesalers in Mina, Niger State. This is where I reside. So many people come from far and near to patronize. I think my work in this market has come to an end. Let's continue with our journey. Chee! Let's move it, Papa. This bike, man, is kind of funny, but I'm kind of lying out of schedule. Skip out. We all set, we all good, we all set, we all good. Let's get it kicking. So first up, we start with mixing all the solid items with our paraffin and making them to stay up hot on the fire to boil for like at least 10 to 15 minutes till everything totally melts down. I'm enjoying this practical for real, bro. So right now it's past 10 minutes and we just need everything to cool up before we proceed. Told you all this is a class here, so I'm taking up my checklist. I'm taking all the chemicals we've added, and that is part of the practical. Like, guys, this ain't funny because this is still hot, just like the way we removed it from the fire. What's happening? But we had to pour in everything as it went cooler. Sorry guys, I was restricted to a lot of things, due to the policies there, so I've been restricted in holding my camera. I'm gonna feed you back on the result and update. I'm going to put this in the fridge right now, then tomorrow morning we get to see the next update. See you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned.